A $330 shoe that was sprayed by robots in just 3 minutes won the Boston Marathon. Here's the crazy story. Swiss brand On revolutionized shoemaking with a robotic arm that sprays a 1.5-kilometer filament into a running shoe. Unlike traditional shoes that need over 100 manufacturing steps, this takes just one. The inspiration? A Halloween decoration. An employee saw a hot glue gun making spider webs and thought, what if we could spray shoes? The numbers are wild. 3 minutes to make each shoe. 170 grams total weight, lighter than Nike. 75% fewer carbon emissions. 0 stitches, 0 glue, 0 laces. And a $330 price tag. Marathon champion Helen Obiri proved its worth by winning the 2024 Boston Marathon in these shoes. And for genius marketing, instead of a regular launch, On is turning manufacturing into a show. They're setting up their robot factory at the Paris Olympics and the NYC Marathon, letting people watch how these shoes are sprayed into existence. While giants like Nike and Adidas dominate the market, On is betting runners will pay for the future of footwear. For more crazy robotic stories, subscribe now.